Thutha wa ndũgamano iria iragomeire mirurungano ya muthenya wa ira na gucungiriria ikuo kiheri hamwe na nguraro. Riu mwena wa mung'ethaniro ni worotete thirikari na uhuthiri wa MIITU kwagagia muingi.
Basi
makiaria thibitari-ini wa Kenyatta kuria maguthiite gucerera aria maragurarire. Atongoria aya ni morotete thirikari makiuga ni kuiyo wega ati niyo ikoretwo ikihuthira nyanake guthararia thayo wa muingi na uguo matige kumuta mung'ethaniro ndaka.
Criminals may have taken advantage of the commitment of the Gen Zs and may have gone on rampage, destroying public property, the machete wielding, the room wielding gangsters. That, of course, is an issue. But all said and done, we have a country to nurture.
So if the opposition are organizing these things and causing this, unangoja firimbi ya nani kukamata hao watu wa opposition?
Kamata watu.
Yeah, if you have facts about it, you are saying so and so is funding this, so and so is funding. Why are you telling us the story? It is a statecraft 101.
Yeah.
Government officials, whether they are cabinet ministers or anybody, should never, ever make allegations. Why? Because they have the instruments of power, they can act.
When you introduce the politics of goonism, it's like riding the back of a tiger. No one is in control of those goons.
Yeah.
This is where Haiti has reached, because there was a failed regime that allowed goons to take over. So Bwana William Ruto cannot send our police officers over 12,000 kilometers away in Haiti to deal with goons. Then at home, he is sponsoring goons with his governor.
Marenda thirikari itigirire kihoto ni kionekana kuri a Kenya othe makihinyiriria miario kwambikwo na uthuthuria wa kurunga mahitia maria makoretwo bururi na aria mekunyitikana na mahitia macio matacukirio makinya ma kiwatho.
From the killing of Albert Ojwang up to yesterday, this cannot be the kind of country we all look forward to nurturing.
We need to go before a magistrate or a judge in an open public inquest and put the facts we have there and put the information we have, and other role players also put the information they have. Because if we want to move forward, I don't think we have a future in this country without truthfulness and without focusing on what we need to do for our people.
Matiangi oigite ndeto ya ugitiri ndivatie kuingirio uteti kana utongoria kuyukio na itheru makihinyiriria thirikari gutia watho wa igoti na guthingatithia ihoto cia andu othe.
Those who go astray and who do that kind of thing, they commit mistakes. They have standing orders. They ought to be taken to orderly room proceedings according to police procedures, be disciplined. Those who need to go to court, they need to go to court and they are charged for what they have done. So this is what we're asking. We're asking for accountability. And the point we are making is that we need to draw a line in the sand and then bring this level of impunity to an end.
If there is no justice, there will never be peace in this country. Indeed. If there is no justice, Kenya will never be anything. So let the president decide whether he wants to be a statesman or a local village boy who has got power and money.
Ni macokeire nyumba cia mohoro gatho ni gukinyiria Kenya uhoro thengia mirugamo na mikana ya thirikari na makomithia jireria arurungani marang'ethanagirwo nayo ni thirikari makiuga kou no kuhaka kironda cube. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, Jitagwo Maina, Kihumo.